Hey, it's Morgan with WTI.
This set of 200 gold glitter plastic cups from I00000 are beautiful. I absolutely love these cups. The gold glitter looked stunning at this shower that I helped throw. They were such a hit and so beautiful. They are a really, really great cup. 10 ounces, the perfect size for putting out at an event, at a party. People around your house using them are going to absolutely love them. They are just so much fun. And I just think this gold glitter is really, really pretty. And I just think these are the perfect cup to put out. They are pretty sturdy, just exactly what you would want in a plastic cup that is disposable and really, really useful to put out in such a large pack. 200 pieces is awesome because you can serve anybody at a party multiple times over, and they are going to look so cute while they use them. They're good for a lot of different events, and they're packaged really well, and I just think they looked really, really nice. I love them a lot.
I definitely recommend these cups, and that's my point of view.